Hello, kindergarten students. Hey, we are back for a brand new year, and here is our My Math lesson for Tuesday. So we are on lesson number 6. Let's watch a video first. Okay, today's lesson is about number 20. And our essential question today is, how can I show numbers beyond 10? All right, we are on page number 211, boys and girls, and your page says number 20 at the top. Mine says explore and explain. So here are the directions. We're going to count the ladybugs, which are down here on the bottom, and they're going to the party. We're going to use dots in the first 10 frame to show this number, count the cupcakes on the table, fill in the second 10 frame to show this number, and then write the number. And then we're going to color those boxes to show 20. Okay, so let's get out some tools, and I'm going to use my dots. Actually, first, you know what? Let's do our writing tool. They want us to count today, and we actually are going to count. So you know how Ms. Allen likes to take a little writing tool, and when I'm counting, I like to write a little mark on each one that I count just so that I remember I've counted it, okay? All right, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, I have to say, those cute little ladybugs are adorable. They're carrying presents on top of their back. How cute is that? All right, so we have 10 ladybugs, and they want us to show that with our dots. So I'm going to go ahead and put my dots up here for 10. All right, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oops. Okay, so now let's go back and let's count the cupcakes. Okay, so counting cupcakes, I'm going to put a little line on my cupcakes as well. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's go back to our tools, and we're going to use that same dot again, and we're going to count our cupcakes. So we have to put in 10 dots again. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so how many do we have all together? All right, I bet you said 20. I hope you said 20. So here's our 20, and we are going to write, let me use my writing tool. We're going to write a 20. I'm going to change my color here. Go to the dark color and the medium. And we're going to start at that dot, and it goes around and back on the railroad track. And your zero's the hero. All right, now I want to point something out to you. The number 2 is in the tens column here, and we call this the ones column. So we have 2 groups of 10, and why we call that 10 is because you see we have one group of 10 here, and we have one group of 10 here. So I'm going to ask the question, how many groups of 10 is that? It's 2 groups of 10. Now, do we have any extra cupcakes or any extra ladybugs? Not this time. So that's why this 0 means we have 0 more ladybugs and 0 more cupcakes. All right, let's move to our next page. Okay, so this is the See and Show page. At the top here we have number 1, and it says the word 20, and it gives us our number 20. We have 20 plants. So I would like you to use your writing tool, and we're going to write the word or the number 20. We're going to write it 3 different times just to practice. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I know you're probably doing a lot better than I can. My mouse is not very happy with my finger, but I will try. Okay, 2 groups of 10, 0 extra plants. 2 groups of 10 and 0 extra plants. All right, not too bad, Miss Allen. Okay, let's go on to our next problem. All right, so our next problem says count the animals. In this case, it's fish. Say how many, and we're going to write the number 3 times. Okay, so we have 1 group of 10 and another group of 10, so you know what that means. We've got 20. If you want to point and count to each one, you can. Or you can just go ahead and start writing that number, 20, 3 times. Now, on my sheet, you see that I have dotted lines. Yours does not. I believe yours just is blank, so they want you to write those numbers by yourself. And you're going to write 20 is a 2 and a 0. The 2 is in the tens column, so we say 20, 2 groups of 10. Okay, let's move to the last one, number 3 on this page. Okay, here we go. We've got two groups of 10, and they are snakes this time. So go ahead and get out your writing tool, and you're going to write the number 20 3 more times. To concentrate, so it's hard to do with my finger being the mouse. This is probably pretty good practice for my hand to get used to this. By the way, my hand is getting a lot better since I had my surgery, but I'm still in that recovery phase. All right, 20. Okay, I will see you at the top of page 213 next. Okay, this is your on your own page, and so pretty easy. They want you for number 4 to count the objects, which you know if you see 2 groups of 10, hopefully you don't have to count them anymore. You know that that means 20. So you're going to write 20 3 times on those lines. And then for number 5 and number 6, they want you to put counters in there or draw circles for those counters to show 20 and then write 20 3 more times. So you're going to be writing 20. You're going to be an expert at this when you're finished today. All right, and I will see you on your last page. This is the on your own. Well, this is a very colorful page. All right, I'm going to read the directions for number 7. It says count the fish, say how many, draw more fish to show 20, and write that number. Ooh. Okay, well, I'm going to hopefully be able to draw a fish for you. But I want to do the counting part so we can find out how many we have. So, you know, I like to count and mark it. So I'm going to actually pick a color here I can see pretty good. Let's see. How about we try red? All right, so I'm going to put a little red mark on each one that we count here today, and I'm going to use this thick mark here. Okay, so I'm going to count this one at the top. 1, here's one over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that one's hard to see. Let me see if I can put it here. 6, there we go. 7, 8, here's a little one. 9, is that a fish in there? Yep. 10, 11, 12, and I see one down here. 13, oh, here's one. 14, I think, oh, wait, there's one inside here. 15, okay, I'm making sure I'm not missing any others. I think we got them all. Pretty sure I got them. I hope I'm not making a mistake, but I think they have 15, so that would mean we need to make, I'm going to count up 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Make 5 fish of our very own. So I'm going to go ahead and use this thick line again. And let me change my color here. I'm going to make my color black so I can really see my outline. All right, so here's a nice big spot I can put a fish. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do a fish here. And there's his tail. Give him a little eyeball. All right, there's one fish. I'm going to have to make 5, so I have 4 more to make. Make one right here. Two. All right, so I'm going to put 1 over here in the corner. 3. It's kind of like a heart shape almost. And then it's got the tail there before I finish it. Okay, so I've got 3 fish. I need to make 2 more. Okay, I think I'm going to make 1 right here. And let's see where I can fit another one. I think I'm going to fit 1 right here. That one kind of came out strange. Okay, now we have 5 fish. So if I added 15 plus 5, we get 20. So go ahead and write your number in that line. You're an expert now at 20. Okay, we are finished with the lesson today, boys and girls. I hope that you had a great New Year and great Christmas. And now we're ready to get back to school. All right. Hopefully I will see a lot of you very soon.